Is your RV mattress uncomfortable? Well, stay tuned for another RV quick tip. Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our YouTube channel is about all things camping. Whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So today we are talking about how to solve the problem of uncomfortable mattresses in your RV. Can I just tell you, when we got our RV, it was so uncomfortable, and I'm thinking, hey, this is supposed to be an upgrade from sleeping in a tent, but it was so bad, and yet I didn't want to have to fork out an additional $500 to get a new mattress. So let me show you our quick tip. Okay, so what we have done is we went to Home Depot and we got this 3-inch foam topper, and can I just say, this has made a world of difference. Then I just purchased a deep pocket mattress pad to go over that and the mattress, and voila, comfortable bed. So I hope that this just real fast quick tip will help you if you're looking for a solution to those horrible, uncomfortable mattresses. So thanks so much for joining me. It was great to have you here. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.